Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you another trick on sportybet instant withdrawal, so stay tuned. Okay, now this trick is very easy, very simple as usual. So what we are supposed to do now, we'll go to our instant withdrawal. Then now this one, we are going to be picking only the first three teams, that is team 1 to 2, team 2 and team 3. Now these are the teams we are going to be the rule or column that we are going to be working with. Okay, so now first thing you need to do is go to your double chance. Okay, go to your double chance, then you check your 1 2 this place. Now you check the lowest among them. Now we have 28 to be the lowest. Okay, so we are going to be playing the lowest among these first three row, okay, so let's go, and we are picking this. So we are going to be, sorry, let me just remove this. Okay, let's go. Let's start with 100 naira. No, let's start with 50. Start with what you can afford to lose, because this game is not 100% accurate, but it is active. So let's watch and see how the game will go. Okay, first half 0-0. Okay, so we've won this, our first game. So let's go to the next round and see. Okay, I think my network is a little bit disturbing. It's a little bit bad. So you go to your double chance, you pick out the lowest out of these three. It should be 1.20 and above, not below 1.20. okay, that is 1.21, 1.22, 1.23, but anything 1.19, 1.18, we'll just keep it. Okay, so let's go and see the next game. Okay, so let's watch and see how the game will go. Remember guys, the first three team, that is what we'll be using in England. Okay, so okay, now we'll go to the next one. But guys, before I go to the next one, let me check something, if it's actually wait guys, I'm saying okay. Let's go again. We have okay, now this one is they have two occurring reoccurring odds, so we'll just leave there. But I checked something and I just saw this, so I'll just be playing it. I'll just be playing this game. I think it's okay. So guys, I'll just keep this game. Okay, so this game I just played right now, it's a trick for another day. Okay, I just saw the trick and I decided to play it. So let's continue with our game. Okay, I saw the signal, sorry, so I decided to play. Let's go again. Okay, we have 29, 26, so we'll just pick out 26 and we'll play with capital. Okay, let's see. I think Okay, we still have enough time. Okay. All right. We've lost this one. So what we are supposed to do, we'll just go and okay, so we go. We have 31, 30, 35. Okay, so these ones are 30. That is 1.3. Remember I said 1.2 above. Okay, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be picking the lowest there. But on a normal sense, we are not supposed to be picking it. So let's go. So we lost that game, so I'm going to be using 400. My network here is bad, it's a little bit bad, so we'll just bear with me. Okay, so okay, now this should be our last game. If this should be our last game. Okay, 0-0. Okay, we've won. So thank you guys for watching, and do well to subscribe to my channel and share my videos so that others will benefit also, and like my videos too. Now we'll be having another video maybe by next week or so, okay, on the trick I just played with all my capital that is there. Okay, so for now let's use this one and take care. Bye bye.